Hey you guys, it's Ben here for B210 and Ben, and today we are going to be pulling AXEL'S. So you can say I've already sort of pulled the brake drum off and the wheel and everything, and I've got it up. We're about to unbolt the brakes and then hope the AXEL'S come out nice and easy. Now I've had AXEL'S in 120Ys that just wouldn't come, so fingers crossed that she comes. We've also got to say hi to our special guests, Riley's R2D2 and Chewbacca in the focus. So keep an eye out for them. They'll be hidden around in this video. Alright, it's all good. Alright, so we've got, like I said, brake hubs off, wheels off. I've undone the handbrake cable already. Now we just gotta undo the brake line. 10mm brake spanner, and because it's nice and wide and stuff, it doesn't like fucking rip the shit out of that soft nut that's on the fucking thing. See how we go. Put him on. Go the right way. There. Alright, nice and easy, because nobody's ever rounded these nuts off using the wrong tools, so the right tool works still. No. Alright, I'll go around the other side, do the same thing, and then we'll be back, and I'm only going to show you this side. So we put the brake drum on backwards, put the things on, I screwed them on, I don't know, a little bit, enough to make sure that the threads aren't going to end up fucked, and that I can still use them once I'm fucking done doing this. But so I've already had a few hits at it, but no luck yet. So have a look. It's a bit sketchy. I wish I had better fucking stands instead of 3 jacks, but who knows. Anyway, so this is the correct procedure. Yeah, I can't go too long. I'll get arthritis or something fucking by the time I'm fucking 40. So we bring this around here a bit. Get in there. There. Now, somewhere up in there is where it's got to come out. That's where it's like pressed in. It's really hard to tell how far we've come so far. I guess we must have come a little bit, because it does look like it's out a bit more than it was, but yeah, we just got to keep plugging away till she comes. Oh shit, I fucking ripped my hands apart. Ah, fuck, I'm gonna fucking regret that later, man. Fuck. Oh fuck. So it's been another hour. I still couldn't get it, so I went and got the widest rim I've got, which is like this 12.5-inch light truck tire, man. I got them for like drag use and shit, like they're big fat fuckers, weigh a ton as well. So anyway, I put that on, I jammed some weights in behind here, see that? And there's another one on the other side, and then I've just pushed against the leaf springs in that rim and gone. So we're gonna rip this wheel off, and hopefully the axle will come now. There you go, there's some weights falling off the back that I was using as the spacers. Oh fuck, I hope this fucking works. Let me fucking hand. What are you on about, Adam?
No, it's this, I'm looking at stuff out.
It's definitely come further. Oh yeah!
They popped out, haven't they?
Yeah! Yeah, buddy! So 2 goes with the, whoop, where's the zoom going? Yeah, 2 goes with the wheel, and we're done. You watch this now. Adam's here helping 2-8. Okay? Oh, it's Adam.
There you go.
He's got all the big arms instead of my skinny little hands. Woo! So all you need is a rim that's too wide. And then that's it. Now we get to see what bananas we've got. Yeah, pull him out. Where's all the bananas? Oh, there's some. Bananas. Banana, banana. How's it smell, Adam?
I hate this oil.
Oh, how's the bananas? How's that bearing look?
It is shit.
Let's
See, you hear it?
Oh, we lost our light. That's alright, we don't really need it. So yeah, there you go.
The bearing does sound cooked though.
Oh yeah, it's fucked. Yeah, you should have heard it before I took it out even. Right, so we're done. That side is done. There's the axles there. This side is done. So that's about it. Tomorrow I'll take these into the diff place and see about getting new bearings put on there, and then we can come and bolt it all back together and drive around without any diff noises. So thanks for watching. We'll get the next one out when these go back in. I still got other stuff I've got to edit. I don't know when this or the other stuff's gonna get out yet, but like, it's coming. Just hang in there, it's all coming. So anyway, like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.